Hi, I'm Henrietta. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids. For today's craft, we are honoring Earth Day this month, and today will be doing clay impressions. We will make a pottery bowl, and you can also do a regular flat plate. We will bring out the clay and show you a demonstration. For today's supplies, you will need a wax paper or parchment paper so you can cover on the table. And then you need a bowl of water so we can work with the clay. You're going to need some paint and some Sharpie tools. You can use a toothpick, that will help, paintbrush, and we're going to use dry clay, air dry clay, and today we're going to use plastic leaves, flowers. You can use objects that have symbols on there that you can stamp on your clay. And then you're going to need some paper towel to clean your hands, and you can get a bowl to mold your clay in once you're done, and we will do that demonstration for you. Okay, go ahead and get some water and damp your hands so the clay that you're working with will not stick to your hands. Get a piece of clay that you're going to use. It can be a large portion or a small portion. So we're going to work our clay in our hands. You can also use the wax paper surface and wet it a little bit, and you can also press it down and then just work it out. So I'm going to hold on to mine and kind of press it down to make a little round circle. You can move your wax paper and you can separate it. Okay, once you get to the size you need, you're going to go ahead and shape it out. Don't make it too thin or else it's going to fall apart. Kind of leave it about 1/4 of a size around your clay. Smooth out your edges. Okay, once you're done, you can get some of your plastic flowers. I wouldn't prefer regular flowers outside. I tried that and it just stuck on there, so I would prefer plastic flowers. Then we're going to take our flower here and we're going to go ahead and press it down. Then go ahead and give it a little press in the clay. So you're going to make that shape of a stamp of the flower. You can use your sharp or your toothpick to remove your flower. And then make that stamp right there. You can also do a leaf, wet your leaf in the water. And you can also press that down. So if you notice, there's a leaf there and the stamp of the flower. You're going to let it dry overnight. It's going to take about a day for it to dry out. And if you want it to come up like a bowl surface, give it about an hour. And then you can kind of press it upside to make a little bowl round. And we'll go ahead and have this set on the side. And I will show you once it dries out. So this is what I had made before, and it's pretty much solid, dried out, and you can see the flower stamp on there. This one I didn't put a stamp because I'm going to put initials, or you can design something on there. So we're going to paint it. I would do the back first if you want to paint it, and then do a light color. You can do different colors. I did one earlier, which I made my own design of what colors I wanted to use. And then on here, I used the 3 leaf stamp, and I stamped them all the way around to make the design of a stamp. And then first I would color the whole thing, and then once it dries out, you're going to go ahead and fill in the colors of the flowers you want or the leaf, and then create your own design. So we're going to go ahead and paint this here, and I'm not going to do the back, I'm just going to do the front for now. So if you want to combine your colors, you can also do that. If you want just one solid color, you can also do that. So I'm going to make mine yellow. So you'll see little holes within your pottery. You can go ahead and dip your paintbrush in the color and that to hide to fill in the stamp inside. You can do that. Okay, give it maybe take a break and let the yellow dry out before you go on and filling in the flower here. So trying to just let it dry. It'll dry pretty quick because I put a thin coat on it with the paint. Then once you let it dry, and then come back and you can fill in the flower. We'll go ahead and do brown for the stem down here. much design your clay the way you want it. Here I went ahead and finished my little flower that I stamped, and I put my initials, HE, and then can fill in the rest. Once that dries, go ahead and turn it around, and you can stamp, color and paint the bottom of the style that you want. If you completed your craft and will it, please share it with us. Post it in our comment section below. Also visit our social media page, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Our website, OFPL.online, and our handle for our social media is @GallupLibrary. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids, and you have yourself a good day. Thank you.